So how do you turn off the vanish mode on the iPhone text? Let's explain that and let me show you how it works. If you're new on the Foxtecc channel, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss anything. Okay, so there are more things you might mean by this. First of all, it is possible that generally messages disappear after like 30 days or even after a year, depends on your settings. So the first step would be to check out the settings app, go to the bottom to find the apps section and then go to the messages specifically. So part of the messages, you'll be able to see all of the possible settings which can be tweaked and changed. But the thing I'm getting at is that there is the ability to decide how long the message history is going to be kept. So you can find it right here. And I personally keep it on forever, even though it will take up more storage the more messages get accumulated. But it's better because if you have it set to 30 days, after the time is up, the messages will simply be gone and they will vanish. So perhaps that's not something you want. Also, when you scroll down a little bit more, we have audio messages section and there is also an expire setting for it. So again, I have it set to never, but you might have it set to 2 minutes, right? So after 2 minutes, whenever you receive audio message, so not the typed text, but like the audio voice message, right? This might be removed and then disappear after 2 minutes unless you change this to never, which again might take up more storage, but I believe it's more useful. And the last thing you probably have in mind is by when you go to like open up these messages and type in your text, and you can hold down on the send button and you can, for example, send it in invisible ink. And that's also kind of like a vanish mode for iPhone text. So perhaps that is again something you might not want to use. So just send your texts normally or choose a different effect for it. So let me know in the comments below what exactly you meant or if we managed to fix your issue. Thanks a lot for watching and your support, and I'll see you later in the upcoming videos as well.